Hello, my name is Erin Feiger, and Microsoft has invited me to share with you my experience in using Partner Center Portal and the partner programs available to you. Today, I'm going to cover Partner Center Portal's account settings. Once logged into Partner Center, you either need to have the Global Admin User role or the Account Admin User role in order to manage the account settings inside your Partner Center portal. In the upper right-hand corner, we're going to click on the configuration wheel and go to account settings. Here in the account settings menu, we're going to cover a couple of the items that are going to be key to helping you manage your Partner Center portal. First, in the legal information page, you're going to notice that there are three tabs going across the top. You will see these three tabs if you have signed the various agreements with Microsoft. The Partner tab represents that you have signed the Microsoft Partner Network Agreement and you are a partner in the ecosystem. The Reseller tab will represent that you have signed the CSP agreement, the Cloud Solution Provider agreement, and you are reselling one of Microsoft's cloud products. The Developer tab represents that you have signed either the Commercial Marketplace Agreement or the Office Store Agreement, and you are developing apps and publishing them in the Marketplace or the Office Store. In each of these tabs, you'll be able to identify the primary contact relevant to those programs and how you are partnering with Microsoft. If you are the account admin or global admin inside your Partner Center account, you will have the ability to update your company name and address and the primary contact, as that person may change throughout the journey of being a partner with Microsoft. Additionally, at the bottom of the legal information page, this is where you'll also be able to add locations as you come upon needing to have locations in Partner Center. Business locations are needed for transacting different activities with Microsoft. So if you have different incentive programs that you're receiving funds from Microsoft and you want that money to get routed into a certain location or banking account, you'll create a location for that. CSP for every country that you're going to be transacting in CSP, you'll need to have a location ID for that country. Or maybe a Microsoft subsidiary is asking you to create a local NPN ID number so that you can be a managed partner in that country. Then that would be a reason to come out here and create a business location. And you'll need to have account admin permission in order to do that. The section I really like the most is the identifier section. This identifier page really gives you a lay of the land as to how everything is kind of set up inside your Partner Center account. The first set of information you're going to see is your global NPN ID number. Microsoft might call this your PGA, so your parent global account, and then all the NPN location IDs listed underneath your PGA. This is a place you can go to quickly find that global NPN ID number if someone is asking you for it. The big difference between a PGA and a location ID number is that the global number is going to store information about your membership and any declarations that you have earned with Microsoft. The location IDs are going to represent how you are transacting with Microsoft. The next section is going to cover the CSPs. If you are a CSP with Microsoft, it's going to identify all your CSP accounts that you have set up. The publisher section is going to identify all of the publishing accounts that you have set up to publish apps in the commercial marketplace. What I like about the publisher section here is that if you need to have access to the publishing environment, then you're going to come here to the identifier section, see who the owner manager is of the publishing account that you need access to, and reach out to that individual, asking them to give you developer permissions to their environment. The next section is the tenant section. Here in the tenant section, this will tell you which Azure Active Directories you've associated to your Microsoft Partner Center account. And if you've actually gone through a merger of merging another Partner Center account into your account. It'll also list out each of those organizations that you've merged so that that organization can continue to log into Partner Center with their domain and have the same user experience, but just everything is now consolidated under one Partner Center account. Since we're talking about account merge, let's take a look at this section. The account merge, you're going to have the global admin involved and your account admins. You're going to send an invitation to the partner that you're requesting to merge into your account, and then that partner is going to come here to their account merge page, and they're going to accept your invitation. It's important here that you have the partner's global NPN ID number, as that's the number that's going to be the one that you're going to pull over, and everything underneath that global NPN ID number will come over. Next, let's go up to agreements. So often partners will ask me, I'm being asked for copies of all the agreements we've signed with Microsoft. Where do I go to get that? You'll want to come here into your account settings and go to agreements, and you'll be able to download the latest agreements that you've signed and send them over to the person who's asking for it, or maybe someone in your legal department. Your payout and tax profiles, this is where you'll go to set up the different payout and tax profiles that you will need to link to your business locations. And you're using those business locations for the purpose of collecting incentives from Microsoft, transacting through CSP, or you've associated that location to a publishing account that you're using in the commercial marketplace. What I like about this is that Microsoft's giving you the ability to route that information to different bank accounts and have multiple locations to represent those different accounts that you need to route money into. The last thing we're going to cover is your user management. Here under user management, this is where you'll be able to see everyone who is associated to your Partner Center account based on the Azure Active Directories that you have linked. You'll be able to either find that person by searching on their name or scrolling through the list. If you're trying to see who are all the individuals in my organization who are the global admins, then the tip for you here is to really use this filter drop-down list to get to that information. So I'm looking for all the global admins. I'm going to click here, and it's going to show me all the global admins that that have this role inside of my organization. If I'm wanting to understand who are all the folks in my organization who are supporting co-selling through the referral program, I'm going to click on the referral admin to see the individuals who are supporting co-sell with Microsoft. Now let's go ahead and click on one person, and I'm going to show you the different programs that you can give permission to inside of Partner Center. So the first role that you can assign that's applicable to the partner programs is that account admin role that we've been talking about. That's the person who's going to help also assign other users permissions and access to the partner programs that are available to you. They'll be able to add business locations and update your legal information and contact information inside a Partner Center. The NPN Partner Admin is someone who's going to be supporting your competencies and advanced specializations, renewing your membership with Microsoft, seeing who your MCPs are that have associated to your account, accessing your benefits, your internal use rights licenses, your go-to-market assets that are available for you. All of that information will be under NPN. Your co-sell solution admin is someone in your organization who's going to help get the offers that you've published in the marketplace now co-sell ready and potentially incentive eligible with Microsoft. The co-sell solution admin will be able to do this under the referrals program and um, and upload all the assets to get your offers co-sell ready with Microsoft. The business profile admin is someone who's going to support creating your business profiles that list your organization inside of Microsoft's App Source Partner Directory. Manage your organization's referrals for one or more locations. When you check this role, this is a person who's going to be supporting your co-selling activities with Microsoft. You have the option to either identify them as a referral admin or a referral user. A referral admin is going to be able to support all the activities under the referral program. The referral user is only going to be able to support the opportunities that they are associated to as a team member. You can even further drill down and assign users based on certain location IDs or at the entire organization. When you have the referral permission selected here, then you will see the referral tile on your dashboard when you log into Partner Center. Next, you have your manage your organization's incentives for one or more locations. These are the individuals who are going to be supporting enrolling your organization in the incentives that you're eligible for, downloading the reports, and helping with any discrepancies around the incentives that you're earning for that particular program. Again, you will have the ability to assign a person as an incentive admin or an incentive user, and you can do that at a location level or at the entire org level. Once this person has this permission, they will see the incentives tile on their dashboard when they log into Partner Center. The last permission that you'll be able to grant is the Insights tab. So the View Data and Reports for one or more locations will give the individual access to the Insight tile on your homepage, and they'll be able to see various reports of how you are selling and lighting up inside of the Microsoft ecosystem around products, customers, and locations. So, the core tip of the day for you is first make sure that you have account admin permission. If you don't have account admin permission, you're going to reach out to someone who is a global admin and ask them to update your permission to account admin. Once you have account admin permission, you will be able to support most of the functions listed here in account settings for your organization. If the global admin is no longer part of your organization, then you will want to submit a Partner Center support ticket requesting that they update your permission to account admin so that you can start supporting your Partner Center account. I hope you found this information to be helpful. I'm Erin Feiger, and thank you for joining me on this journey inside Microsoft's Partner Center portal.